Look at this 2005 Chevrolet Colorado. Carfax has certified this Colorado as having one owner. This Colorado has just under 100,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has an extended warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. This Colorado boasts a 3.5-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, AM/FM stereo, climate control, driver airbag and bed liner. Call 201-200-1100 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.